There you go. Good. Hold on. Yeah, good. Hold on. And then turn it off again. You okay with that?
Yeah.
So they're over this side. All right. Turn right onto the dual carriageway.
Usually when you're in this situation, you keep to the left-hand side in the middle of the central reservation and turn in an offside to offside way so people can come past.
What position in the middle should we be in? Good. And it was really important that you did take up that good position in the end, wasn't it? Yeah. All right. Nice job. What should she have done?
So if we take a look at the diagram, we can see that with a white car wanting to turn right, there's already a car next to us blocking the blue car's route into the middle. And what the blue car should have done is waited where the purple car is, leaving our side clear to turn if it's possible. However, I will add that the purple car turning in still has priority over the white car turning out if the purple car can keep going.
Yeah.
So I can't get out.
Just sit.
In the end, it didn't affect us in the slightest, but just try and have a thought for other people using the road around you.